Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the USB device not working error in Windows 11. To do that, you first of all basically need to head over to the control panel section on your PC. Once you get over there, you need to uh, click on the power devices option, which you will get right in power options right here. Once you clicked on the power option, you need to click on this change when the computer sleeps option, and then you need to click on change advanced power setting option, and then you will get over here, and here you will find an option of USB, which is not available here because there is no USB plugged in right now. You just need to click on that USB option and you just need to disable it, and that's how you can fix the error of USB not connected on your Windows. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel.